An important part of running a successful freelance business is keeping accurate accounting records. Consider cloud-based accounting software like QuickBooks to track income and expenses, generate invoices, and share numbers with your accountant in real time. If you are running a freelance business, enlisting the services of an accountant to file your tax return is recommended. They will know what you can write off, for example, what percentage of your utility bill you can write off if you work from home, and can prevent you from making costly errors. And if it is in your budget, work with an accountant throughout the year. Waiting until the end of the year doesn't give you enough time to make improvements or adjustments. It is difficult for an accountant to reduce your taxes at the end of the year, after the fact. If you consult with an accountant mid-year, they may be able to make recommendations about contributions or adopt strategies that will pay off by the end of the tax year. It is also a good idea to do a quarterly estimate of your taxes and set aside some money. When you work full-time, your employer automatically deducts taxes from your paycheck. If you are working for yourself, you don't have this built-in savings plan. Action steps. If you have friends, relatives, or associates that freelance, ask them if they have an accountant they recommend. Also, research accountants in your area who specialize in tax returns for freelancers. Choose an accounting option for your business. Research cloud-based accounting software and consider making a purchase.